When you are on the home page of Prezi Design, on the left side you can see new folder is an option. If you were to click on new folder, what you can do is create a folder right here and type in the name you want, press enter, and a new folder is created. So now what can you do with it is you can keep your files that you want right here. So I'm going to go to Prezi Design, and over here to add the design files in the folder, I'm going to click on the three dot icon and I'm going to click on add to folder, where you will be able to see all of the folders that you have. So I'm going to go around, click on this right here, and it'll be added to the folder. Similarly, I'm going to go around, click on add to folder right here. I'm going to click on add to folder. So now I added in 3 files. And if you were to click on the folder right here, what happens is that you will be able to view those files right here. If there's more files than just 3, you can click on view more and it'll load out more files that you have over there as well. So let me just click on Prezi Design and I'm going to go around, create another folder right here. So let me just say collection and press enter. And once I do that, you can see that new folder is created. So I'm going to go around into design right here and I'm going to add that to the new folder that I just made right here. So let me just go around, add it to collection right here. And in collection, you will be able to see those 2 files. The same file can be in multiple folders as well. And to maintaining folders is a way to quickly access your files as well. If you want to delete the folder, however, while a folder is opened, on the top right hand side, you can see that the dustbin icon is here. And if you were to click on this, it'll ask you whether you want to delete out the folder, means it'll no longer appear in the folder list. So you can click on delete and what happens is that the folder will be deleted. However, the files will not be deleted right here, even if they were on the folder, because it just acts as a collection point for the different files that you have. And that is how you can create out folders and manage out folders, add files to folders inside of Prezi Design. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.